Alright, family, so the one thing I noticed is that this Goodwill had a renovation. It had a renovation and things are looking good. Check this out. There's a whole bunch of Epson's computers. Whoa. There's a whole bunch of Epson's, what's it called? Printers, right? Yeah, printers right here. And they're all here. And I'm going to see if I can find these because there's a ton of them. And if they're good to go, I'm getting them all.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
What's up, family? So I'm here today with my daughter and my dog, okay? And listen, I gave away approximately $200. 100 of it you guys didn't even see me give away because those were like homeless people before I even started filming that were well, I don't know if they were homeless. They just said they were like hungry and trying to feed their kids. Either way, I gave them money over there by the grocery store. Yeah, and I didn't vlog that, but it's okay. But anyways, I'm only telling you guys that I'm only saying that to say this. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go out to a couple stores and I'm gonna see if I can make that money back that I gave away via retail arbitrage. All right, so you know I'm just gonna say $200. I'm gonna go for $200 in profits today, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out there and try to find $200 in profits for retail arbitrage to make back what I gave away. Yeah, and if I don't really care. I'm doing it from the heart, not even from like it's not about just money, make my money back. No, I don't even care if I don't make it back, but I'm just gonna try. I mean, it's like a cool challenge. And another thing, guys, I want to do more stuff like that. So, I mean, if you haven't seen that video, I'm just giving money away to complete strangers. I don't care if they have money. I don't care if they drive a freaking Lexus, a Lamborghini. I don't care if they're poor or not poor. I'm just giving away to anybody that shakes my hand and spread love. So that's what it's all about for me. If you haven't seen that video, click up here to go check that out. But then come back here and watch this video. And all right, guys. And so what I want to do, you guys don't understand. Like, I want to get back to everybody, especially you guys that have been supporting my YouTube channel. I want to get back to you guys. I want to get back to all my subscribers. I mean, like hundreds of thousands of dollars eventually. And to do that, I need you guys' help. You guys got to understand, to do that, I need you guys' help. I need you guys to share these videos. I need you guys to, like, tell your friends about my videos. I need to, because, I mean, when I'm showing you guys retail arbitrage videos, I'm already making money from retail arbitrage, so it really doesn't matter if I get views or not. But when I'm just giving away money for free, just giving it away, those videos, I'm just strictly just money's just going out. And like I said, it's not about the money, but like, I have a daughter to feed. I have so many big plans, and I want to give away as much as possible. So it's like a circle. Like, it's kind of like, if you guys help me by sharing the video, I will get more views and be able to give more and more and more. And that's like the philosophy of it. So all you guys got to do is like start sharing the videos, especially ones that I'm giving away money. Start sharing those videos so that I can give you guys more money. Like, I want to give everybody. It'll get to the point where I'll be able to just be like, okay, everybody that comments, I'm giving $100. Like, you know, like some insane, crazy stuff like that. Everyone that comments, I'm giving $50. Or, you know, every blah person that leaves me a message on Instagram or goes to, I'm giving this much money to. Or all my subscribers that do this, I'm gonna give this much money to. And I'm just gonna be picking random people and giving thousands of dollars away. I'm giving this person $1,000. I'm giving that person $1,000. I'm giving this person $100. I'm giving that person $100. I'm going around giving people money that don't even know about my YouTube channel. But I need you guys to share the video. Help me out to make these videos go viral so that I can give away large amounts of money. I want to give away so much money. Like, I want to change the game. Like, I just want to, and I'm like legit, I'm gonna give away most of the money that comes in. I say most because I'm not, obviously I got a family, so I gotta take care of my daughter, I gotta eat and stuff like that, and have a place to live and bills and whatnot. But most of it I'm gonna just give right back, guys. And I mean, I've always wanted to do that, and I've had this idea in my head to, you know, just like make enough money to give away and just keep the cycle going like that, so that it's like everyone is just happy, everyone is just eating, everyone's living, everyone is like being able to just just feel the good vibes. All right, guys. So I mean, that's the goal when it comes to giving money away. So if you, like I said, if you haven't seen that video, go check that video out where I'm just giving money to complete strangers. It was my last upload. And yeah, share that video. And even when I upload more videos like that, make sure you guys share for me. Like, make sure you guys share those videos because it's gonna help me to make more money to give away more. So yeah, that being said, guys, yeah, I'm gonna get my daughter ready, and then we're gonna go out and do some retail arbitrage and try to make $200 in profit. And yeah, it's look, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to get notified. If you are new here, make sure you hit the bell. We're doing it so different. Like, there's nobody out there on YouTube that is doing what I'm gonna be doing. There are people that do retail arbitrage. There are people that give away money. There are people that do crazy stuff. There are people that but there's not just, I'm just all in the mix. You just never know what you're gonna get, but it's always gonna be some positive stuff. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell to get notified. And yeah, let's go. Let's make some money. This is retail arbitrage edition right now. This is a day in life of, you know, like sourcing and flipping. Oh, and then one more thing. I see some people saying like, oh, one video they're like, Lavar, you want to be a YouTuber. Another video like, hey Lavar, you're not a flipper, you want to be an inspirational person. And in another video they're like, Lavar, you want to be this. Look, the thing is you'll never know what I want to be because I'm just me, you know what I'm saying? So one day I'm a flipper, one day I'm a YouTuber, one day I'm inspirational, one day I'm motivational, one day I'm just out there and crazy and just maybe doing something crazy, and just, you just never know, man. I'm Lavar, man. You can't put a genre on me because you never know. Just put it that way. So but let's go. It's enough talking. Let's do some retail arbitrage. I will see you guys at the store. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so far, family, I've been in the Goodwill for about maybe 2 minutes, and I've already found a used item, and I found 2 brand new routers. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys that when I leave. I think I'm wrapping it up in here. So it's not everything I gave away yet, but it's a start, so it's pretty cool. And like I said, it's not about making that money back, it's just about a challenge, see if I can do it. I was hoping I can do it all in one store, but it's not looking like that today in the Goodwill, but I found some items, so that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna cash out, and then I'm going to show you guys what I got. So actually, guys, I'm kind of bummed out about this one item because I was gonna make around $30 profit and only got to pay $4 for it, but I'm gonna show you guys why I'm putting it back. So check this out. I found this little thing here, right? And obviously I was gonna mark it as used. I opened it up, make sure everything in there. Everything was in there, and everything looks good. And even comes with the manuals down there. And brand new, this item is like $70 profit, but obviously I'm not gonna list this as brand new. But used, I would have made $30 profit for $3.99, and I had to put it with a good BSR, and I had to put it back because, so this is a bummer, guys. I had to put it back because I double checked the listing, and as you can see, this one is green, and if we open the box here, if I can open the box, this one is purple. All right, so you know, green and purple, little details like that do matter because that's not a perfect match. Customers are, you know, customers are very picky nowadays. So I mean, if they see something that's a color and then another color shows up, maybe green was their favorite color, maybe it made them actually buy it, maybe it pushed them to buy it because it was also their favorite color, but then the purple one shows up, they will return it. Some people will, but it's not a risk I'm willing to take right now. And yeah, even though I would have made $30 profit on this, well, just around 30, it's selling for 30, so I would have made $26 profit. Only in great BSR, 100 plus 4-star reviews, great BSR and office products, and yeah, guys, it's a bummer. And yep, there you go. So I have to put this one back. Now I checked to see if the colors may vary. Sometimes the listing says colors may vary, but I can't find that on this listing. So if I get home and find it saying colors may vary, I'll come right back and buy it. But for now, I'm not gonna get it. Alright, family, so what I did find in the Goodwill, it's not major high profits, but it is pretty good. So I found 2 of these. Check this out. They're in the plastic still, completely new, guys, completely new. Still wrapped in plastic for $6.99 a pop. I got two of them. Two of them brand new in the plastic. That's why you guys got to be fast. I even told you guys about this Goodwill right here. You just got to be fast. You get in, you find stuff really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make on those, which is not much at all, but it's still pretty good. So let me just open up my scanner. I'm gonna scan this really quick. Scan this. There we go. So if I scan it, there we go, right there. So brand new. I'm making 100% ROI, guys. These are gonna sell super fast. There's 1,000 reviews on this. For 3.5 stars, so almost 4 stars. 1,000 plus reviews, 2,000 reviews, and yeah. So I'm gonna make 100% ROI, guys, on these right here. So yeah, that's only $7 a piece. That's only 14 bucks profit, but at the same time, it's 100% ROI on my money. But yeah, I'm gonna make 4 bucks. I mean, not 4, 14 bucks profit. I'm gonna make 14 bucks profit. Yeah, so I gave away about 200, and I'm at about 14 bucks profit. But nah, this is good, guys. It's still good for Amazon. It's still good for your seller account to get products like these that's gonna get in, fly out, brand new, just everything clean. And yeah, you don't really come across items like that all the time at the Goodwill and stuff, and then even multiple of the same one at the Goodwill. So that's a pretty good find. If I would have got that other item, I would be sitting pretty cool, pretty good right now at $40+ in profit. But you know, it was a different color. I almost still took it to send it in. I'm not gonna lie, because sometimes it says colors may vary, but I didn't see that anywhere on the listing from my app. So I just was like, you know, playing it safe. Now if I go home and check it again, and then I can find one that says colors may vary or whatever the case may be, then I will come back and get it. There actually was another one in there too, but it had no box, and it was clear, like gray or clear, one of those colors, but it was the same exact thing. So that would have been 60 bucks in profit. I don't know how much the other one would run on that listing. If it is colors may vary, then I could put that one on the same listing as well, and it would have been 60 bucks profit. So I'm just gonna go home and check that out. But yeah, woulda, coulda, shoulda. You can't dwell on the products that you can't get. So right now we're at $14 in profits. All right, family, let's go. All right, family. So the one thing I noticed is that this Goodwill had a renovation. It had a renovation, and things are looking good. Check this out. There's a whole bunch of Epson's computers. Whoa. There's a whole bunch of Epson's, what's it called? Printers, right? Yeah, printers right here. And they're all here. And I'm going to see if I can find these, because there's a ton of them. And if they're good to go, I'm getting them all. So let's see. I'm going to look these up. Alright, guys. So this is a bloomer. I found the printer right here, 122 sales rank, $119, but it's restricted, guys. It's restricted. Even used is restricted, and there's like, what, there's like 8 of them, I think. Yeah, like there's 8 of them. But you know, you don't dwell on what you can't buy. You just look for what you can. So just keep them. So family, I found an item in there that supposedly should make me around $80 in profit. $80. So that Goodwill, actually, I haven't been there since the new renovation, and they looks like they're getting new items. I see you guys seen the printers in there. I looked up on eBay that they're selling for like 100 and something bucks, and then there they're selling for 40 bucks. But I didn't find any sold ones, so I just kind of left that alone. But I was browsing around, and I found something in there that I have to check when I get home, but I just couldn't pass it up. I had to buy it because the BSR looked great. It is brand new, and everything I looked at seemed legit, so I just bought it anyways for 20 bucks, and it's selling for around $107, $100 something in profits. And so that leaves me around 80 bucks or so in profits, guys, which is awesome. And if we add in the other item that I bought, the routers, that's over $100 in profits. So that's half the money back. So that's not bad for a day of retail arbitrage for the challenge, at least what I was trying to do. It's not that bad. So guys, I'm on my way home because I have to pick up my daughter, and yeah, that's a wrap. I'll show you guys the item I'm talking about, and yeah, that's a wrap. So you guys want to get to the house. Okay family, so I'm back at the house and I got these little bit of products right here, small amount. You guys seen the 2 routers brand new for $7 each, and I'm gonna make 100% ROI on each of those. And here is the item I was telling you about that I found in the other Goodwill, brand new. It's like a leather, if I can open, oh, did I rip it? Did I rip it? No, I didn't. No, I didn't rip it. Okay. It's like a leather keyboard case for the pads, and I don't know, this one is kind of weird to me. I don't know how this can be cost that much, but it has like wires in there and stuff, so I don't know. It's definitely a test. It's definitely a test product. I'm gonna look it up on the desktop, but as of now I have it, and I have my receipt just in case. But yeah, this thing's supposed to make me I'll show you guys. Actually, if I get my app here, it's supposed to be making me yeah, there it is right there. Boom, bada bing. $107, and I bought it for $9, so about $90, you know. I'm just gonna take away the 7, so I'm making like $90 on that, in profits. $90 on that, and plus the whoa, wait a minute, yeah, wow, I thought it was gonna be $80. Yeah, so minus 107 minus $10. I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna say $90, even though it's 97. But yeah, $90 on that, and $14 total on the other 2. That's 100% ROI. This is way over 100% ROI for this one. And yeah, guys, I am that's clearing $100 in profit for the day, and that's pretty good. $100 in profit. It's over $100 in profit. I also have 3 little items that I got from Walmart. That's gonna make me like, I don't know, like $10-15, and that's still in my car, in my trunk. I forgot to pull it out. And yeah, I have another router over there that I didn't send yet, because I was checking it out, and I think everything's a go with that one, so I might send that one as well, which is another 20-some bucks. But I'm not sure about that one. I just gotta check it again. But as of right now, guys, you see it. There it is. I didn't quite win the challenge of hitting 200. I gave away about $200 that day. But you guys see me give away around 100. So if it was just what you guys saw, I definitely got the challenge on that. But yeah, like I said, it really doesn't matter about making the money back. It's just about seeing if I can win the challenge for myself. But I came close. I mean, halfway, 50%, 50 way. Yeah, guys, there you guys have it. That's how you do it. I mean, retail arbitrage is not dead. It's very easy. And then once you do this for a while, like the way I'm doing it, once you, like, you know, you're just going out and you're finding things that you can find, and you know, just skipping over the restrictions, guys, because there are a lot of restrictions, and there's even more now. I feel like every year it's getting tougher, but it's a good thing, because it separates the true sellers from the people that's just just making it bad for us, not doing it the right way. And yeah, so if you stick through it and you just keep selling and have good metrics, then you can get ungated for big brands. Like I said, I haven't even tried to get ungated. I just, I'm doing so many other things, and I want to start a whole, I'm gonna be traveling and meeting a lot of you guys, for the vlog, and for and finding the best places to shop throughout the country. That's what I want to do, and also give away as much as possible. So like my next giveaway may be like to you guys, to the people that subscribe to me. So make sure you watch the videos, because I'm going to be giving, hundreds of dollars away to the people that subscribe to me. But I got to make sure I got some money coming in to do that. So make sure you share the videos, guys. And yeah, as always, it's peace and love. You already know, baby. We out. Peace.